this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen anti-reflection for a 2017 BMW X1. The original car came with navigation. So by going back to car info, you can see the original car was a big screen and it was with nav. With the factory nav, we use our GPS antenna splitter to split the navigation antenna from the aftermarket unit to the original factory unit. By holding the menu button for long, it goes back to aftermarket. We can still use the iDrive knob, and we install our OEM fit dash cam to it. Perfectly fit on the factory spot. Right now I'm using iPhone to do Apple CarPlay. We're using the wired one. Also we do have wireless. By going to AutoKit, it goes to Apple CarPlay. Also you can use the knob for Apple CarPlay. And we can watch video full screen. The car came with factory backup camera and sensors. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.